In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for email send time ideas fast and easy. If you're looking to maximize the effectiveness of your email campaigns, timing can be everything, and Google Trends is a fantastic tool to help guide you. Let's start by heading over to Google Trends. To do this, simply type Google Trends into your Google search bar and click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the Google Trends page, you'll notice an option labeled Explore. Go ahead and click on it. This feature is where we'll dive deeper into the insights Google Trends has to offer. Now that you're in the Explore section, it's time to think about the content of your emails. In the search bar, you'll enter keywords that reflect your email topics. These could include productivity tips, new tech gadgets, holiday deals, or marketing strategies. If a topic option is available, make sure to use it as it can help you capture all related searches, providing a broader perspective on your chosen topic. After entering your keywords, hit the Enter key. This will prompt Google Trends to present data related to your search terms. You'll now want to narrow your focus to ensure that the results are relevant to your audience. Use the filters available on the page. To control location and category, selecting the right country, region, or even city, along with the correct category, such as business, shopping, or health, can tailor the data to match your target demographic. With your filters set, it's time to analyze the interest over time section. Here, adjust the time frame to either the past 30 days or the past 12 months, depending on whether you're looking for recent trends or broader patterns. Pay close attention to the graph. Notice when there are spikes, as these could indicate the best times and days for sending your emails to capture high engagement. Conversely, be aware of any dips, which might suggest periods to avoid sending emails. Scroll down to the Related Queries section, where you'll find additional insights. Notice the rising queries, indicating topics that are currently gaining popularity. These can be incredibly valuable for aligning your emails with trending interests. Likewise, the top queries highlight consistently popular topics, which can provide further stability to your email strategy. Lastly, if you're juggling multiple topics, utilize the Compare feature. By clicking the plus Compare button, you can add 2 to 5 topics that you plan to discuss in your emails. This allows you to see which topics show the strongest or rising interest over time, guiding you to prioritize your content effectively. And there you have it. With these insights from Google Trends, you're now equipped to strategically time your emails for maximum engagement and relevance. Don't forget to check back on the trends regularly to adjust your strategies as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.